Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add testimonial slider to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is testimonial slider. So click here, sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you just want to write in search testimonials, and you're going to see right here testimonial slider. Let's create a widget. Now you want to choose between the slider, rotator, cards, carousel, lists. I'm going to choose the rotator here. Continue with the template, and now you get like testimonials template, balloon, single classic, postcard, single spotlight is like top notch. And now you can even like choose the grid of it if you want to. Now just edit the content here, where you edit the text, where you edit the name, and also social profile, caption, everything. I would recommend like leaving just like few and edit those, and you can simply add more testimonial sliders. So let's just click save here. When you're gonna do it and finish it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And when you're gonna do it in Wix, you wanna simply click plus, add a widget. Enter the code and paste the code, update. And voila, here you got it. And the testimonial slider is created. It works really well. And yeah.